What's up, y'all? So today I haven't been doing that good at vlogging. I had to go to the beauty supply and I got this little situation right here. It's in the dryer right now. Um, Let me take it. So I put flexi rods in it and I curled it. I gotta do a wedding updo, and so I'm gonna use this as the ponytail. Of course, comb the curls out so they ain't all uniform like this, and then do like a pin up or a updo, and then for the reception, take it down. I'm also gonna like layer it some too, so it'll have more volume and body and stuff. But this came in here. I took these orange rods and these black ones, and I rolled it up. So I think like this one is like the small rod, and like this one is a big rod. So yeah, so I'm gonna fluff it out, razor it and all that stuff to get it going. But yeah, like I said, I've been not been doing that good with remembering to record today because I've been kind of in a rush. All right, so I'm packing some stuff because I have to do her hair, then I have to cut a couple people's hair too. So I'm gonna take my JRLs. Yeah, I'll take these and these and this T outliners, cordless. I'm trying to decide if I should take these or take these. They both hit, but these hit harder and with more ease, whereas these ones are kind of. But these ones, I got this blade sharpened by, I forgot what her name is, and so I really don't want to break this blade at all. So I think I might not take these. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take those. I'll take these because this is a replacement blade anyway, and plus these are easy to adjust yourself. I think I might wrap them. So like a cape or something. So I do not want any of my teeth to break. I might take these two, or I'll just take guards. I'll take guards with those, and I should be able to do whatever I need to do. Guards and I'm gonna take enhancements too, since it's a wedding. I wanted to look airbrush, so I got the Tune 45 one, fibers, and the brush, airbrush. This, I feel like they just took water and not even Beijing, and that's how they made this. Cause this is how, like, I've made some of my own, and Beijing settles like it at the bottom, and Beijing is also brown before you mix it up. So I feel like that's what this is. It might not be, but it's what it feels like to me. I need a razor comb for the hair doing. Also need razors, the beeswax. I'm gonna use this to mold her ponytail, curl and wax. I'm gonna take it just in case, because I don't know, something's telling me to take it, so I'm gonna take it. Then this holding spray, the camera thermal styling spray. Take that. And oh yeah, I might take this volume spray because she wanted the ponytail to be kind of big, and I think this will help like make it fluffy. So take that. And I think I'm gonna do this for her edges because we used a some of my edge controls, and they both turn white on her, so I don't want to use those. This Masani stuff to help with the press. Taking my pressing comb, and I'll take this new flat iron that I have. Oh, it's already in there. The first agent, I'm taking that to help with the, so she'll have some extra longevity. So she can dance and do whatever she want to do. I need some wrap strips. Need some wrap strips. I'm gonna take that comb. Take this one. I need a hair cutting, flat top comb, hair cutting comb, brush, 2 brushes. Ponytail, ponytail. Ooh, bobby pins and ponytail holders. Need those. I'm gonna just take these whole buckets. I got there's flat ones in here and the ones that's open. Yes, flat ones and open ones in here. And then ponytail holders. Somebody's calling me. I don't know who that was. Take these. Make sure. See.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. Woo, Jesus. So, I got there at 12. I had to do the bride's hair, the groom's, cut the groom's hair, the brother of the bride, and then one other person. And now I'm just about to leave. The bride is actually a family friend. She's my sister's friend, so I'm gonna come back for the ceremony. Plus, I have to take her hair down from the updo to a ponytail for the reception. So I'm gonna come back to do that. So I thought I had blocked my whole day off today, but somehow there was still one space open on my schedule and one of my clients booked it. So I didn't cancel them. And child, I didn't drink one of these things. They had these in there. One of the girls gave it to me. Bree. This is pretty good. So, like I said, I went, did their hair. I was in a like super rush when I got to the guys. Like I wasn't in a rush on the groom's hair. I wasn't really on a rush on him, but the brother, he and it's my fault. I should have took a little bit more charge when asking him how he wanted his hair. I was kind of letting him be vague. And because of that, it was like I did like 2 haircuts in one. So, but it ended up turning out good and he liked it, which is my only goal. Woo! So, it's been an eventful day. And I'm about to head to the shop, cut my appointment. I just told him I'm on my way. He ain't tripping, thankfully. And then cut him. I don't know what I'm about to do. I might come back just up to the venue and just chill for a minute, like regroup. And my backpack, I left my backpack in there. I left all my hair stuff because the bride was about to get. I was in the bridal party suite doing her hair, and then her husband came over and I did cut his hair. And then I started cutting her brother's hair, but then she was about to get dressed so they could start taking pictures. So I moved over to the groom suite, which the lighting was horrible. Oh my gosh. So first of all, y'all see me putting my bag together and I still forgot stuff. So I'm kind of pissed at myself that I forgot stuff. I said I was going to wrap the clippers in a cape and literally left it. I know exactly where the cape is. It's on the ground underneath my chair. So luckily where my new shop is close to downtown. It's really close to everything, but it's close to downtown, which is where It's close to downtown, which is where the venue is. So it's pretty quick for me to get over here to my appointment, thankfully. So yeah, I'm on my way to that. Yeah, so it's pretty close, thankfully. So I'm on my way to do that. Focus on me, baby. Can you focus on me? Oh, yeah, my shop is raise the roof and shake your booty. My shop is in a good location. Y'all, I feel exhausted, and maybe I shouldn't have. So I took that little thing with me, and I was chugging it on the way out. And maybe I shouldn't have did that because I'm feeling a little bit. I haven't drank since my grand opening, so I drank like a month ago, and that was just like some wine. But baby, I took that thing to the head on my way out. So I'm kind of a lightweight now because I don't be drinking like that. And I'm just pulling up to the shop, and I'm sure he's here. Yes, he is. So, about to get in here, get to working on him, get him out of here, get my life in order, and then head back to the venue. You've seen the bride's hair, it came out pretty good. The first time I did her hair, I was using this edge control. I used two actually. I used the even one, and then I used the and it was kind of turning white as I did it, so I took some water and like wiped it off. But then I put on the this one I got from what's her name? Oh my gosh, the station's a mess. Close this. Got a shoe sitting over here, a saw blade, child, a mess. I just came in. What's up, bro? My bad, man.
You chillin', man? Nah, my bad.
Man, I thought I had everything blocked off. And I see something, I was like, okay, babe, I got one person that would be cool. And then I'm looking up at my time, like, dang, it's about to be 2 already. What the heck? Yeah, random people in the bar party. Oh, can you let me? Like, bro, I was only supposed to cut 2 people instead and do the bride's hair. That's it. The bar was like, if they actually charge them premium price, whatever you charge them more than that. I'm like, okay, bet.
Yeah.
Say less.
Get to the bag.
Yeah, for real. He's like, if you can't do it, just leave. Don't even. I was like, nah, I got to get this little bit of money.
Yes, sir.
This premium price.
Oh, look at it! It's so purple. I like it.
It's so cute. It came out so good.
I like it. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.